33rd Annual Conference of Singhason Pastore 2025 concludes with spiritual fervor at Langmeklu. The 33rd Annual Conference of Singhason Pastore 2025 was held with great spiritual enthusiasm from February 7 to 9 at Christ Church, Langmeklu under Singhason constituency. Centered around the theme, Rejoice in the Lord Always, the event witnessed a significant gathering of believers from various congregations who came together in faith, worship, and learning. The conference aimed to strengthen spiritual bonds and encourage Christian fellowship through inspiring sermons, engaging activities, and meaningful worship sessions. Right Reverend Michael Herons, Bishop of DNEI, CNI, attended as the chief guest and speaker on Sunday. In his sermon, he emphasized the importance of unwavering faith and finding joy in the Lord despite life challenges. Alongside him, Reverend Samson Teron and Reverend Rensing Rongpi also delivered powerful messages encouraging the congregations to live a life dedicated to the faith and service. Throughout the 3 days, attendees actively participated in various activities including Bible quizzes, Bible drills, extempore speech competitions, and musical performances. Adding to the spirit of the event, choirs and soloists presented soul-stirring gospel songs, while vibrant cultural and worship dance brought an atmosphere of joy and praise. These performances not only enriched the program but also reflected the deep-rooted faith and traditions of the community. A special highlight of the conference was the Holy Communion service, which brought a moment of solemnity and reflection, strengthening the faith of the attendees. Worship sessions, prayer, and group discussion further deepened the spiritual experience, fostering unity among believers. The 33rd Annual Conference of Singhason Pastore 2025 left a lasting impact on all who attended, reinforcing the message of joy in the Lord and unity among believers. With hearts uplifted and spirits renewed, the congregations departed with a renewed commitment to their faith and the teachings of Christ. News Desk Report, Northeast Karbi Live.